Welcome back mga kapuso, nagtanaw gihapon kamo sa GMA Regional TV Live. Ug karong buntaga atong ila-ilahon kining usa ka Zambongenyo nga nakabase karon sa Subo kinsa nakadaog sa Mr. Universe 2023 nga gipahigayon dito sa India.
Hangtod karon, paday nga naglanog-lanog ang dungog sa Pilipinas, hilabi na sa mga bisdak sa kalibutan sa pageantry. Sama na lang sa ambungan nga si Alfred Natividad, kinsa first runner-up sa Mr. Universe 2023 nga gipahigayon dito sa India. Nakuha usab niya ang Best in National Costume, Best in Swimwear, Mr. Congeniality ug uban pa. Ang iyang pagkatalentado, pagka-ambungan ug pagkabuutan, ingon man ang iyang pagkamaalamon maoy nagtukmod kaniya nga makadaug sa maong kompetisyon. Ug karong buntaga ato siya makauban dinilang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
And we have with us this morning Mr. Alfred Natividad, first runner-up sa Mr. Universe 2023. Good morning, Alfred, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Live. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. Mai, and maayong buntag, mga kapuso.
Thank you for joining us this morning, Alfred. Congratulations. First up, how was it like? Sukad since the pageant, the events nga nahitabo dito sa India, kumusta man? Sink in na ba nimo ang imong kadaugan?
Sink in na tanan, sir. At first, I doubted myself to bring back the honor for the Philippines. Kay last year man good ang Philippines na daog. He is also my friend, Elcid Camacho from Cebu City also.
Okay.
Last year, hapit na jud ta mag back to back, but then still a winning because it's first runner-up. So I'm so grateful and honored to bring back the honor for the Philippines as first runner-up.
Nahisgutan naman gyud nimo kung you doubted yourself. We saw your post nga murag ni goodbye na ka sa pageantry.
Yes.
Katong nalangkat nimo ang pagka second runner-up sa Mr. World Ambassador.
Yes,
O sinakaaghat nimo nga mobalik na pugka og salmot sa pageantry this time sa Mr. Universe.
Lain man good ma'am ka ng imong heart. When your heart speaks that, go for it. Whatever dreams you have or goals you have, pursue it. Keep going and never give up. And that's why I keep on going and I pursue it. And I competed once again in international pageant, and I'm so happy that I made it.
How is it like competing internationally, Alfred? Kumusta man ang camaraderie? Kumusta unsa may set up dito? How do you mingle with other mga candidates?
It's really different kay lain-lain mo gud ang mga cultures and traditions nila, but we should also learn to embrace our own uniqueness and own differences. Mauna na ako matubag na kinahanglan we all accept our differences para we are all united.
Okay, Mr. Universe ug Mr. World Ambassador, unsay kalahian in terms sa imong mga pagpangandam nga imong gihimo?
The difference is Mr. Universe is really known in the Philippines.
And
So, akong pangandam is really hard kay I really need to bring back the victory for the Philippines. And it's so pressured for me to do that. But at that time, ingon ako sa self, just be yourself, enjoy the moment, and let it be. Kung unsa may mahitabo, unsa man mahatag sa Ginoo, and that's for you.
Speaking of pagpangandam, how do you prepare yourself physically, mentally, emotionally para sa kaning mangingon ani nga mga competitions?
Yeah, I prepared a lot through workout sa akong body build. That's why we had Best in Swimwear. Yeah, grabe akong pangandam sa workout during that time. And then as well, the Q&A preparation. Maunang pinaka-important sa pageant, which is the Q&A portion, and that's what makes me as first runner-up. Kay dito ko nag-boom sa akong Q&A portion. Kay you really need to know your purpose, why you are there. You really show to the world why you should be the next Mr. Universe. So that's it.
okay, sa mga wa masayod unsa may advocacy ni ining pageantry nga imong gisalmutan, Mr. Universe, and imo sang mensahe ngadto sa ato ang mga nagtan-aw karon.
Yeah, the advocacy of Mr. Universe is about education and unity. You should be diverse, and as what I've said last year when you interviewed me about my advocacy, it's all about education. So mao ra gyapon to i-continue ra gyapon nako ang advocacy. I keep on doing fundraising for the less fortunate people. So even until now, I'm still doing that. So akong maingon sa akong mga supporters sa tanan na who's watching me right now. So if you have dreams and goals in life, pursue it, keep going, never give up, because one day you'll wake up and realize that it's so amazing when you follow your heart's desire. So that is my piece of advice. Thank
Very
you.
well said, Alfred. Unya, nakuha namang yun mo ang titulo, Alfred. Isip Mr. Universe, first runner-up. Karon tagang ka na mong chance nga mag-host sa morning show.
Oh my God.
O commercial man ta paingon karon mo padung man ta commercial ikaw kunoy be ikaw mo pahibaw sa atong viewers nga mo balik pa taon sa may isulti Alfred.
Og mo balik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.